Hello and welcome to another unboxing. And in today's video, I've gotten two Hot Wheels. Yeah. And the first one is a Proton Saga, but not the white one, but the red one. I saw this at the store and I remembered I really liked this casting, so I decided to get a second one. And yes, I'm gonna be opening the second one too. Let's open it. And here it is. Well, it's just as pretty as when I opened it a year ago. Yeah. Think I opened it around, January. One of the first videos on this channel was this Proton Saga. And the next one, Purple Passion. I'll even get my two other Purple Passions. Yeah, let's open it. And here it is. Wow, it looks pretty interesting. And base looks like it's an older casting, but yeah. Here is the 2024 one, actually the treasure hunt. Yeah. This one's got the 6 written on it. And this is a 1995 one. The only way you could tell is the Hot Wheels logo above the wheel is not the same as on a modern car. Yeah. It's pretty cool. And that's it. I'll see you guys next time. Bye bye.